Just an average day in Pennsylvania. Just floods everywhere because it rains for 7 days in a row. Everyone's backyard out here is just covered. What's up, guys? I just got done taking a fucking 30-minute detour, literally 30 minutes, because when I turned around from that water, it was 5:01, and it is currently almost 5:32. So, literally 30 minutes just to go out to Jeff's, but we're about, I'd say about 10 minutes away from Jeff's now. And when I get there, they're working on Zach's lights right now, so hopefully maybe they're done with that already, but maybe. We just made it to Jeff's, and they're in the garage working on Slate's light pods. I'll show you some footage of that, but right now, I'm grabbing my stuff. Oh, that shit's heavy. Come on, Luke. Oh, the official mascot of the channel right there. There's the Explorer.
Black one's trapped with the black.
Right there.
Yeah. One goes to the.
Put the black spoon down. We're gonna have to ground it off too. We're gonna have to ground it.
We can. No, I was gonna just scrape some paint off from here.
I'm hooking straight to your battery.
I don't think you're supposed to hook it to the battery. The ground.
No. You can. It's not gonna kill it. You can for $2.
Fuck you too.
Huh?
Fuck you too.
I'm just saying, so if it's a YouTube.
Okay, don't yell at me, damn it.
Putting these bad boys in RGB.
Oh,
Peanut.
Are they?
yeah, I know. Huh? Yeah, I know. But I looked up what happens when you don't have sub-centric and you rip on them a lot.
About
The lugs will actually like bend inward like this, and then your spacers will actually pop off and your wheel will fall off.
That's fine.
That's fine.
Fine. It's supposed to be like that. They make it like that so you scare yourself. But in reality, it's
Actually, I'll do that later.
I did.
Ooh.
Here's the other one.
oh, listen to that torque.
Oh yeah, you got a new torque wrench too.
Yeah. Tecton, $35 on Amazon. How's this work?
Link in description.
I was gonna say let's go to Lycans, but I don't even want to drive that anymore after.
No, he
Christmas.
said it's bad over that way too.
Is
Oh,
it?
dude, it's terrible.
Yes.
Another 6 inches. It's gonna be complete road coverage for like probably a quarter mile. It's awesome. Kind of jealous.
Tighten that.
Scott, you know how you torque wrench?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. And then you lock it. And you lock it.
I'm just making sure. Torque. Scott's over there torquing himself with his backs.
He needs a little bit of torquing. He's an idiot.
Fuck you.
Should have torqued yourself in freaking high school. You
Look
might
at this.
have would have passed.
Freaking rinky dink right here. Not even real 3M tape.
That's real 3M tape.
Is it really?
Yes.
You're messing with me.
Look at it.
You're literally messing with me. There's no way.
Why would it say 3M on it if it wasn't 3M tape?
Knock off.
Yeah.
That's illegal, isn't it?
No.
Somewhat.
They sell. If you watch Robbie Ferreira, he does a video, and he literally buys something off Wish. that says 3M tape,
Yep, I've seen that.
but it's not 3M tape.
Well, it is because they were like $50 each.
So these are RGB.
Yep. Use an app for them. Actually, that's what I was in the middle of doing. I was in the middle of downloading the app. That's my car, and I'm not doing any work on it.
Huh?
Story of his life right there.
What?
This is his car and he's not doing any work on it.
I know. Kind of sad.
Well, you're literally not letting me do anything.
No.
This is also true.
You just sit back there and shut up, Slate, okay?
That's what I plan on doing.
Snap the wire out.
The third fucking time I'm putting this in here.
Maybe you should let Slate try. I bet he could do it first try.
How about you lick my nuts? Okay. Alright.
Ligma?
This is Ligma. Alright? Let that one marinate for a bit. Alright.
Are you having my Ligma?
And didn't pop out this time.
Eat my dick. Didn't give me fucking bastard.
But Jeff, isn't something yellow supposed to be on the end of this? So how much more do you have to do exactly?
Just
I know you have to get the connector on. What's this?
Put the connector on this one and that one, that's it.
How does it feel to have your own personal mechanic? Yeah, same idea.
I helped. I did do some stuff. I want that to be known.
What'd you do?
I cut the wires.
Oh yeah, that is
30
true.
fucking feet long. So now I gotta trim like half
Hey,
of them.
hey, here's the thing though.
Well,
You can't go wrong with extra.
If I
You can't go wrong with extra.
Jeff, if I cut too
can't.
short, how much would you be bitching at me?
Oh, I'd be crying at you.
See, this is his airbox now. I'm gonna get rid of this, put that in there. Remember, hashtag weight reduction. That's what we're all about here at JWS Customs. Weight reduction. JWS doggy.
Official mascot 2018.
Buddy. How you doing? Why you looking at me like that? After that crazy rain, it flooded, so now it's just blue sky. Yeah, Jeff just got done putting on the first spacer.
Still not tightened yet.
Not tightened yet, but
It's gonna be a white thing.
it's gonna what?
She's gonna be. Fuck off.
This is gonna look good.
Oh, it is.
This is gonna look really good.
I'm excited.
So he's probably gonna tell me the roads.
I think they went down. I hope so. Anyway.
No, he messaged me just now.
They still up?
I don't know. Let me check. Kind of busy.
Oh, I can see that.
I'm putting a window sticker across my sunroof. So when my sunroof goes up, it pops up.
Oh, that's gonna be the problem, Dale.
What?
We need a bigger. What is this? Give me a 20.
20?
Ooh, Dad. Good fit.
Oh, commentator videos. Morgan Freeman voice changes.
Yeah, wheel poke.
I'd tune into that. Don't eat that, stupid.
Any opportunity to enrich the lives of the Canadian people.
So Jeff's almost done with the spacers right now. Right?
Almost there.
Almost. Within the next week or few. Next week or few.
Next week or few.
Yeah.
Week or few, guys.
My wheels are gonna be painted white.
That's probably be next week or this coming weekend.
You gotta remember I'm going to the beach.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
This coming weekend?
Next Monday.
Yeah, you're not going this coming weekend.
Oh no. Well, I'm leaving Sunday.
Okay, well, we can do Saturday.
Yeah, we could do. I work. I could probably get someone to take my shift, but I work.
Okay.
Yeah, we could do it Saturday if you want.
That's Saturday for.
Just I'm gonna need 2 more cans of white.
One.
One?
One.
I want to make sure it covers everything.
Yeah, you only need 3. It only took me to do 3.
How many coats?
5.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's still peeling off.
I'm doing it this time.
And it's still peeling off the back, so I'm just gonna say fuck it. I'm gonna get.
That's why I'm using Glossifier.
Oh, I did too. But I'm just gonna eventually get aftermarket, so say fuck it.
Yeah, I think it's gonna look good with white wheels. What else is coming up? Oh, Jeff has something big coming up. We're not gonna tell you about that.
Surprise!
Yeah, it's a surprise. You're gonna have to stay tuned for that stuff.
Follow the Instagram and follow the Facebook to find out.
Yeah, follow the Instagram, JWS Customs. Follow the Facebook. Subscribe to us on YouTube. That'll actually, you'll probably hear it on Instagram or there first.
You'll hear first on Instagram, but you'll see the actual.
You'll see it actually on YouTube first when we.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll give you
So-
a hint on Instagram, but we'll show you
Yeah.
first on YouTube.
We'll post a picture. It'll
blur.
be a blur, but
Blur.
it's a hint.
Alright, can we live feed that on our way down? What do you think?
Can. We can live it, but we're not gonna take a picture of it.
I mean, we can live until we get there.
Yeah.
End it, and then take a picture because it's still blurry.
Yeah, we're gonna blur it.
Oh, you want to call it part of the truck or call it? Yeah, it could be intermixed.
Intermixed, yeah.
I guess you could consider it close. Some week, I think like the 19th.
I don't know why.
A bunch of us are going. A bunch of us in the group, the Night Mayflows, we're getting together and we're going on like a trail drive.
Trail drive. That sounds cool.
If you want to go, we can stream it.
Yeah, we could.
Alright.
Yeah, we also got the car show in October. Are you gonna be back out?
Yeah.
Okay, he'll be back out. There we go. Okay. So the spacers are on the TC now, and this is what it looks like. Like there's some wheel poke now. If I go below the bumper like this, there's a big difference because they weren't sticking out. So it's kind of dark, so it'll be hard to see. But I think it looks good. But yeah, big things coming to the channel soon, in about 2 or 3 weeks, hopefully. Oh, my hair is ridiculous. Look at, but yeah, we just put wheel spacers on here. I got some video of Slate before he left. It was when we put his light pods on, so that's done. It was a very productive day. So yeah, right now I need Jeff to come out so we can put some air in my tires because apparently I wasn't paying attention and it's pretty low right now, so we'll have to do that real quick. Okay guys, Jeff's pumping on my tires right now, so this is where we're gonna end the video. Make sure you like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and subscribe to the channel. Peace out.